Meet Jim, a business owner who dreams of offering healthcare for his team. He knows it would help grow his business and make him more competitive, but he simply can't afford it. He understands his employees worry about basic healthcare, not to mention the Obamacare penalties. Sadly, he's lost some key staff to other companies that offer insurance, which has been hard on his small business. Jim desperately wants to help, but he feels trapped, like there's nothing he can do. But then Jim meets Tony, who leads a rapidly growing business.
The problem isn't providing health insurance. It's about offering access to affordable health care.
How does that even work? Aren't health insurance and health care the same thing?
Just like your car insurance isn't the same as your car, health insurance isn't the same as health care. You wouldn't get car insurance first and then let them tell you what kind of car you can buy, where you can drive it, or how much it should cost, right? Well, the same goes for healthcare. But now, it's just possible to buy just the healthcare you need, without all the annoying waste, administration, and complexity that drive up costs.
And then Tony reveals his secret: Redirect Health, a modern healthcare company that lowers costs by eliminating that waste and inefficient administration, for which he never wanted to pay for anyway. When someone on his team needs to see a doctor, they don't worry about it like they used to. They know they will be redirected to the most affordable healthcare options. No more going to an emergency room when you don't have to.
Redirect Health has actually made me money. I don't have to deal with Obamacare penalties, and it's cut down my workers' comp costs. It's also easier to recruit and retain my best employees. If you're like me, you're always looking for ways to cut unnecessary expenses and make your business more efficient. Redirect's Everyday Care plan is just an easy way to do that.
With mingled hope and disbelief, Jim decides to ask his broker about Redirect Health. Is it the real deal? Jane tells Jim that Redirect Health only seems too good to be true because it's so unique.
They built a new healthcare solution from scratch, just for businesses, so there's no hidden waste you have to pay for.
Encouraged, Jim brings it up to his partners, who express doubt.
We can't afford it. It'll take too much time. And haven't you heard? Katie might leave, and it's probably too late. She's pregnant and looking for a job that can provide insurance. We need to focus on other things, like finding her replacement.
Shocked by this news, Jim is even more determined to find a solution for his team. He decides to call Jane again and asks her to explore his options. After calling Redirect Health, she reveals the good news. Not only is their everyday care plan only $100 per person, but your employees won't face Obamacare penalties. And it's way less expensive for them than if they had to take care of it on their own. With everyday care in place, it's more affordable for your employees to buy only the supplemental insurance that makes sense for their families. I can get you started right now if you want. After deciding to join, Jim shares how it works with his team, so they can easily get routine care whenever they need it, without any copays or deductibles. Plus, they can sign up their spouses and kids too, so everyone can have great health care. He also shares how convenient it is when they need care. Just call the number 24/7, English or Spanish. They'll figure out what you need and get you taken care of right away. Usually they can take care of what you need over the phone. But if you do need to go in, they'll schedule your appointment and prep the doctor for your arrival. And no more retelling your story over and over again. No more going in for routine prescription refills, unless you really want to. Redirect Health will do all the research on your behalf. They'll always make sure that you get the fairest prices, so you'll pay less out of pocket without cutting corners on quality. After hearing about the new health plan, Katie decides not to quit. She never wanted to leave in the first place. With happier, healthier employees, Jim's business is thriving, and now he's ready to hire more rock stars to grow his business even more. To find out how Redirect Health can make affordable, high-quality healthcare possible for your business, call us at 888-995-4945.